It takes vision to believe in better, new ideas to overcome old problems, and bright minds to power Australia's future. This is your place to excel. Here, you'll think big and put your ambition into action. This is a place built to perform on the world stage. You'll find quality learning experiences matched with resources and innovative research that will inspire. Learn at your own pace, at your place, or at one of our 3 unique campuses. Experience a university that adapts to you. Our partnerships will motivate you, and our commitment to collaboration will open new doors. We acknowledge our campuses are on land with great history and wisdom to share. Thousands of generations of First Nations families have lived here, learned here, and journeyed here to connect, celebrate, and share stories. With a belief in better and a drive for excellence, we are committed to powering those who champion innovation. That's today's high achievers, tomorrow's emerging thinkers, those who are straight out of school or with years of experience. No matter where you've come from, the University of Southern Queensland believes in where you're going.